Hello dear students, welcome back again to the math class of Standard 5. We are studying chapter number 13, ways to multiply and divide. Let us continue with the topic Shantaram, a special cook. Shantaram is a special cook who comes only on party days. Last year he was called for only 28 days. For each day, he has to be paid rupees 165. Find out how much money he will get in all. So here, Shantaram gets rupees 165 for one day. And we have to find out the salary for 28 days. So here we have to multiply 165 with 28. So 165 multiply with 28. Here we have to multiply this 28 in two steps. First we will multiply 165 by 8. Then 165 with 20 because 28 means 20 plus 8. So first we multiply with 8 and then we multiply with 20. So 8 5s are 40, here 0. 4 will be carried over. 8 6s are 48 plus 4, 52. So here 2, 5 will be carried. 8 1s are 8 plus 5, 13. So here 13. Now we multiply 165 with 20. So first here we will write 0. Here 0. Now 2 5s are 10. Carried over 1. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13. So here 3. 1 will be carried over. So here 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. Now we will add this both the product. 0, 2, 3 plus 3, 6 and 1 plus 3, 4. So this way we have found out the salary for 28 days is equal to 4620. Shantaram's salary for 28 days is equal to 4620. Now let us see next word problem. If he is called for all days of the year, how much salary will he get? Students, how many days are there in 1 year? There are 365 days in a year. And salary for one day is equal to 165. So here we have to multiply 165 with 365. And 365 means 300 plus 60 plus 5. That means first we have to multiply with 5, then multiply with 60, then we will multiply 165 with 300. So let us multiply. So here 5 5s are 25. 2 will be carried over. 5 6s are 30 plus 2, 32. Carried over 3, 5 1s are 5 plus 3, 8. Now we will multiply with 60. So first we will write here 0. Now 6 5s are 30, here 0. 3 will be carried over. 6 is the 36 plus 3. So 39, here 9. and here 3, 6 ones are 6 plus 3 9. And here product of 165 with 300 is already given. So now we will add these three numbers. 5, 2, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 5, 22. Here 2, 9 plus 2, 11 plus 9, 20. Here 0, carried over 2, 4 plus 2, 6. So Shantaram's salary for 365 days means for 1 year is equal to 60,225. Now let us move on to the next question. Now find the salaries of the minister and horse rider for 1 year. So salary for 1 day of minister is equal to rupees 195. So salary for 365 days is equal to 195 into 365. So let us multiply 195 into 365. So here also we will multiply 195 with 5, then 60 and then 300, because 365 means 300 plus 60 plus 5. So here 5 5s are 25, carried over 2, 5 9s are 45 plus 2 47. Here 4, 5 ones are 5 plus 4 9. Now multiply with 60. So first we will write here 0. 6 5s are 30. Here 0, carried over 3. 6 9s are 54 plus 3 57. So here 7. Here 5. 6 ones are 6 plus 5 11. Now we will multiply with 300. So first we will write here 2 zeros. 3 5s are 15. Carried over 1. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. Here carried over 2. 3 ones are 3 plus 2 5. Now we will add this whole number. So 5, 7, 9 plus 7 16 plus 5 21. 1 here 2, 3 plus 8 11, carried over 1. So here 7. So I will write here again because here we cannot see clearly. So 71,175 is the salary of minister for 365 days, means for 1 year. Now let us find out the salary of horse rider for 1 year. Salary for 1 day is equal to rupees 76. So salary for 365 days is equal to 76 into 365. So 76 into 365. Here also we will multiply with 5, then 60 and then with 300. So first we will multiply with 5. 5 6 are 30, here 0. 3 will be carried over. 5 7s are 35 plus 3 38. Now we will multiply with 60. So first we will write here 0, 6 6 are 36. Here 6. 3 will be carried over. 6 7 are 42 plus 3 45. Now we will multiply with 300. So first we will write here 20. So 3 6 are 18. 1 will be carried over. 3 7 are 21 plus 1 22. Now add this number. Here 0, 14. Here 1. So 4 plus 5 9 plus 8 17. Here 1. 4 plus 1 5 2 7. And here 2. So here we got 27,740. 27,740. Now let us move on to the next topic. Here years and years. Sohan drinks 8 glasses of water every day. How many glasses will he drink in 1 month? So students, how many days are there in 1 month? 30 days or 31 days, but we will take here 30 days. So 8 glasses into 30 is equal to 240 glasses. So Sohan will drink 240 glasses in 1 month. Now next question, how many glasses will he drink in 1 year? Students, how many days are there in 1 year? 365 days. So here 8 into 365. If we multiply 8 with 365, we will get 2920. So he will drink 2920 glasses in 1 year. Now if 125 people living in a colony drink 8 glasses of water in a day, how much water will they drink in a year? So people of colony is equal to 125 and water used by each member of colony is equal to 8 glasses. So here we have to multiply 125 with 8. So 8 into 125 is equal to 1000. So they will drink 1000 glasses in 1 day. And here we have to find out, means how much water will they drink in a year. So here we have to multiply 365 with 1000 because there are 365 days in a year. So here we will get 3,65,000. Now can you guess how many glasses of drinking water used in a day in your colony? So students, this activity you have to do yourself, means you have to guess how many glasses of drinking water are used in a day in your colony. If there are 400 people, you have to multiply 400 with 8 glasses. Suppose there are 500 people in your colony, you have to multiply 500 with 8 glasses. And in this way you will get the answer. Student, here is the end of this session. I hope you have understood all the solution of these questions. So practice for all these questions. Thank you and have a nice day.